नव्या शैक्षणिक वर्साक सुरवात जावपाक लागली आणि दुसरे वाटेन एडमिशनां खातीर रेस सुरू. मात एडमिशनाच्या नांवान कांय शैक्षणिक संस्था विद्यार्थ्यांकडल्यान भक्कम रक्कम वसूल करून घेता. डोनेशनाच्या नांवांत शैक्षणिक संस्थांनी घोटाळो चल्ला म्हूण हुस्को NSUIन उक्तायला. आरडीएक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Ata after 25th now, since results will be out on the 25th, the 11th standard students will go for admissions, and thereby in June the professional colleges will go for admissions. The pharmacy and the engineering colleges will go in for admissions. What we have seen is the education department came up with a warning that schools should not have any capitation fees, and they will be charged of 10 times fine, the schools, if they charge of capitation fees. But what they have failed to recognize and to fail to curb is that capitation fees is still taken in the name of school development fees, in which a receipt is provided. But this school development fees is nothing but a scam which is being done by the schools. This is injustice to the students who are scoring better marks, but only in the name of money these people are getting their admissions. To have all this, even our parents have to take loans, and this is indeed a problem to the entire family which is earning. Education एक scam जावन आसा, and the revaluation fees that is being taken is the biggest scam that is happening. And education department and the colleges have been nothing but only a money making scam. They do all this only for money. And where is this money going is the question that we are asking today. When we try to ask this question to various people across Goa, we came to know that this money is being used for the vice chancellor's bungalow that he is using. The vice chancellor bungalow costs 9 lakh. Through an RTI it has come out that the vice chancellor bungalow per annum 9 lakhs are being spent only for his bungalow. So हेजेर कळटा की आमचे जे पैसे आसा, it has been used only फक्त vice chancellor फॉल्गा मारपाक ते पैसे यूज जाता. It is very clear. Because every day the rank of Goa University is decreasing. If our money is being used for a good reason, then at least the rank of Goa University वाडपाक जाय आशिल्ले. Every day, every year, if we go to see, it is being coming down, it is decreasing. And from the time Varun Sahni has come, it is getting worse and worse. At such a time, when such things are happening, we don't have our education minister, which is there, Manohar Parrikar is not there, the CM is not there right now in the country. We need a CM now to solve these issues. This is the first thing which is required at this point of time. The CAC has been useless. They have not come up with a single approach to these issues, and they are not to be seen anywhere.